He was one of them who went and out of pocket he bought numerous stuff for us. A lot of stuff, thousands of dollars worth of stuff. And it's not like he's rotten rich, but he just saw the need and decided that he needed to do something for Seaforth High School. So give him a round of applause again.
Good morning again, students. I must admit that my voice is not good for singing today, but I hope it's good for speaking and for addressing you. And I would like to say again, congratulations to all awardees. You have done well, and my encouragement to you, before and after I speak or do my presentation is to keep on pushing through, keep on aiming high, keep on soaring. Now, in order to accomplish anything great, there are 4 things that it is important for us to keep in mind. And the first thing for any one of us who wants to soar to unknown heights, we have to start dreaming. And a dream that is in your heart is worth so much more than gold. As children, those are the years and the days when we feel that we can do almost anything. And you are so right, and it is good to have that kind of mindset. It is good to have that kind of outlook, because we are nothing without a dream. If we do not have a vision of where we want to go, what we want to be, what we want to contribute, what we want to accomplish, what are we? So start dreaming, children. It doesn't matter if your friends say it doesn't look like it's going to work. Keep your dreams burning in your heart, because when you persevere and when you stick to the task, you can do great things. The second thing that you need to do is aim high. After having your dreams, what do? You don't sit around just dreaming. You start working. And the first thing you need to do is to aim high. Think big. Dream large and oversized. Aim high. The thing about life is that there are times when we are disappointed, our hopes are disappointed, and our dreams seem shattered. But if we can reach for beyond the stars, we may very well fall among the planets that are in our solar system. Stars are much further out. But if we aim high, the chances are if we fall short of our dreams, we probably would not have fallen too short after all, because the effort that we would have put in, because we had this big dream, would have secured for us a place in the stratosphere of those who do great things. The third thing I want to motivate you to do is to keep soaring. When you hit the sky and when you start seeing your dreams coming to fruition, don't stop there. Continue to pursue your passion. Continue to do great things. Continue to aim high. Continue to reach for the heavens. Because at the end of the day, as I said in one of my own quotes, man is never fulfilled in stasis. Meaning, when we are at one rung of achievement and we don't seek to move on from there to go even higher and do greater things, well, how can we say that we had fulfilled and reached our greatest potentials if we don't keep on working? Keep on working, keep on soaring until the day you die. Keep on working, keep on soaring. Because for those who are truly great, the work never ends. until life ends and the reward comes. And the very last thing I want to motivate you students to do is to take someone soaring with you. They say it's lonely at the top. And do you want to be at the top alone, really? No. So one of the most important life lessons we can learn is that when we accomplish, when we have made our mark, and while we are making our mark, it is always in order and always good to take someone by the hand, help someone up. That will bring depth to your experience. Because at the end of the day, whatever you do must be motivating someone to either be like you or be greater than you. And what do you want the report of your life to be? What do you want to be said at the end of your days? Even though you're not going to know, but let it be said that do you know that it was that young man, Jaquan, do you know that it was that young man who helped me to do my first piece of artwork? Do you know that it was this young lady who gave me some of her lunch? Do you know that it was this young lady who gave me some taxi fare? That's what we're talking about. Doing things together. And the song that I sang a while ago, it certainly speaks to that. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Together is how we do it. When we want to do it well and we want to do it right. So help someone as you soar, and let it be said at the end that you lived a life that was selfless, you lived a life that was giving, you lived a life that was compassionate, and you lived a life that inspired others and made others, inspired others to be great and made others great. So as you move on in your studies as well as your classes, I don't know if you're C6 students, as you move on, I pray that you keep these words in mind and that you will always remember that Sean C told you 4 things. Start dreaming, aim high, keep soaring, and take someone soaring with you. Thank you, Lord. It gives you a few things to remember as you fly. That's the title of the poem, As You Fly. Hold fast to the dream that sends you high. Do not swerve as you soar, but fix your gaze on open sky. Believe in you forevermore, for you were born to greater things, meant to taste the good this life brings. Go to the light that shines for you, brave the fight till you push through, for then you'll know the dream that fades is born of efforts never made. But that you've tried has proven your worth, and that no more you'll suffer dearth. The fountain found was yours to drink, and theirs from fear who never shrink. Write your tale across the sky. Tell your story as you fly.